All right, check this one out. Most recent Mustang that just came in is now available to purchase. Is 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe. A-code car, 289 underneath the hood. For 4-barrel Edelbrock on there. It's paired with an automatic transmission. Also has had a lot of recent maintenance done to it. Previous owner of this car drove it some, so he liked to keep it turnkey. Has had the Pertronics electronic ignition added to it, new plug wires. Also recently has had the intake manifold gasket replaced, water pump, to name a few things. So car is ready to go. Nice sounding car, seems to run strong. We get around the other side, I'll fire it up for you so you can hear it. As you can see in the front, it's got a few GT package options on it. We're not representing it as a GT, but it has a look of a GT in certain spots around the car. And as you can see by the driving lights or the amber lights up front, would have been a GT option. You can see the chrome paint's very nice, and this paint is not very old in this car. And it's a Chantilly beige is actually the paint color that it was painted, but chrome is very nice on it. Got the American Racing torque thrust style wheels. Does have the deluxe pony interior, kind of a tan or a matching color. It'll slip up so you can see that a second. Like I said, I'll open the door on the other side, slip in there, you can see the interior, very nice shape also. Same with the carpeting. But yeah, you look down this car too, you can see how straight it is, not full of dings or chips or anything like that. This car, you could show it, take it to your local cruise-ins, just out for that Sunday afternoon drive. Also has new glass in the front windshield, so it is not all chipped up or nicked up like you'll start to see a lot of them. And hey, it's even got the radio antenna there. We see those broke from time to time. Riding on BF Goodrich radial TAs that have decent tread left on them. If you want to see the still pictures, so you can see the rims up close, the tire tread underneath the hood, check out the engine bay that way, the trunk underside of the car. UniqueClassicCars.com is the website, or feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726, and we'd be happy to discuss this car with you, answer any questions. Come around to the back and see how the bright working chrome is back here too. Another one of those little GT features it has. You can see that it's got kind of the trumpet tip exhaust with the kind of louvers in there, if you will, I guess. Backup lights. It also has a little rally pack steering column mounted tachometer and clock, I believe it is. I think that was also a GT option, but once again, not representing as a GT, just pointing out some of the things it has. Again, you can see that the paint's in very nice shape, has a nice luster to it. Take a look down this side, you can see how well the panels fit, how nice a shape the paint is, no dings, scratches up and down the sides either. Headliner's also in good shape. Take a look at the interior, see the dash, whoops, dash all in very nice shape. Steering wheel interior does have seat belts. Full center console there with that automatic on the floor. So lighting all works in here. Let's get a peek at the headliner. You can see it's also in nice shape. Door cards. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. And again, check out those still pictures. You can check out the seats and the still pictures, the dash, interior, and everything. UniqueClassicCars.com. Nice little rumble out of that. Still retains, looks like the stock AM radio. I didn't try that earlier to see if it works or not. May not. A lot of people like listening to the sound of the engine, how good it sounds. Some do not care about the radio, won't take a whole lot to put one in here. You can see still retains pretty much all the stock look interior wise, aftermarket floor mats, but other than that, Nice looking interior. Slip around to the back so you can hear it. So nicely that door closes. No rumble out of that 289. Nothing crazy, just a nice sounding car. Take you up to the front and I'll pop that hood so you check out the engine bay, see how tidy that is. Here, how smooth this engine runs. Pause the video here a second. Alright, there you go. Engine's open, or hood's open. See the engine compartment. Here, how smooth that runs. Nice and tidy and neat. Underside's the same way. Like I said, check out the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. See those underside pics. Very solid. Oh, a new gas tank was added to this also. Remembered that from my notes. This car's ready to go. Looking for a driver, here you go. Very, very nice car. Good paint, good interior, nice running. 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Once again, UniqueClassicCars.com.